how to send voice recordings in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can send voice recordings on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to send voice recordings on Messenger, it's actually very simple. Now there are two types of things: voice message or voice recording. Because voice message is something you go to the Messenger app and then you select a random person over here. Once you select a random person, you just go ahead and then basically long press on this over here in order to record a voice over here and then just send them. Now I'll just cancel this basically. But what if you want to add and send an existing recording? Maybe you recorded a song from your recorder app and now you want to send it to your girlfriend or your boyfriend. How do you do this? You just tap the plus icon over here, but you can see we don't have the option to share the file. So instead what we're going to do is just open the file manager app on your device. So depending upon which device you use, open the file manager app and then just navigate to the folder where the audio is saved. So basically, most likely if it's an audio, by default you can just go to the audio tab, but as you can see I don't have any audio. So in this case I'll take the example of anything over here, which could be this photo. Let's assume that this is the voice recording, just assuming only because I don't have any recordings on my phone. Once I select that, just tap the share icon here. Once you tap the share icon, you can see Messenger chats. So now you can just select Messenger chats and then send it to the person whom you want to send it. Once done, that recording will get successfully sent. So the bottom line is that if you don't find the option to share it within the Messenger app, head over to that file, long press on it, tap the share option and then send it in Messenger. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.